This training program is about fall protection equipment and how to protect you from experiencing a fall from a height. Fall prevention has been a major concern for many, with recent statistics reported by the Bureau of Labor Statistics revealing that fatal falls were down 25% from a high of 847 in 2007. Since 2007, fatal falls in the private construction industry have decreased by 42%. Though there have been some improvement in the number of fatalities, falls still continue to occur. Therefore, more training is necessary to further reduce these numbers. The goal of this program is to help prevent a fall by gaining an awareness of fall prevention equipment and, of course, foster a high level of safety awareness. So, where do we begin? The first step in preventing falls requires a systematic evaluation of the risks and hazards and determining how best to protect workers through training, knowledge, and fall protection equipment. The Occupational Safety and Health Act, OSHA, under Title 29 of the Code of Federal Regulations, 29 CFR 1926 Subpart M, contains the fall protection standards and regulations. The American National Standards Institute, also known as ANSI, is a voluntary organization comprised of manufacturers and consumers that establish performance standards for fall protection safety. The standards are not generally enforceable as law. However, it's important to know that many OSHA regulations are adopted or evolved from ANSI standards. The OSHA standards for fall protection are quite lengthy. Unfortunately, they cannot be adequately covered during this brief video. This program will concentrate on the basics of fall protection and the equipment required to work safely, so be sure to carefully consult the regulations to enhance your knowledge of fall protection and safety. Anytime an employee is working at a height of 4 feet or more, they are at risk and must be protected. Fall protection is required when working at heights over 4 feet in general industry occupations, 5 feet in marine jobs, and 6 feet in construction. However, regardless of the fall distance, fall protection must be provided when working over dangerous equipment and machinery and some other applications. A well-conceived fall protection program begins with the identification of all fall hazards in the workplace. As a general rule, according to OSHA, anytime a worker is at a height greater than 4 feet, a fall hazard exists, and there are two acceptable options: eliminate the hazard or provide protection to prevent a fall. Since elimination of the hazard may not always be possible, other measures such as the use of personal protection equipment would be required. Following the hazard identification process, a written fall protection program must be developed specifying how to deal with each hazard. Where hazard elimination is impossible, the plan should state what fall protection measures are to be used, how they are to be used, and who is responsible for overall supervision and training. The program must be clearly conveyed and understood by all employees. A fall protection program requires the use of a competent